Hello, my name's Gavin, and today I'm going to show you the Surface Profile Gauge from DeFelsko. It's often a competing product for someone who's using Test-X tape currently, but this special gauge can be very helpful for coating inspectors and painting companies to have when they typically need to take surface profile readings. There's some new standards out which I'm going to go through. This one here has a needle on the bottom here which digs into the surface profile, and that's how it takes its readings. The latest PA 17 standard from SSPC says you need to take the highest reading from a batch of 10. So DeFelsko in their Advanced gauge have released what they call a smart batch, which will give you the ability to take 10 readings, and then it will just take the highest and keep that one as the reading. And the reason for that is, say this is your surface profile, if I take my reading here, it's going to have a very shallow reading versus if I took it here, where it's measuring actually all the way down to the bottom of the profile. So that's why when you take 10 readings and then take the highest one, you have the same as the Test-X tape, which is the highest peak to the lowest value. And that's what you're trying to measure. I'm just going to quickly show you how to do a zero. So if you go to your zero, get out your piece of glass which comes in the kit. You simply select the number of readings you want to do and hold it on the glass. And follow the on-screen prompt, it tells you when to come off. And now calibrated to 0. So if we come along now and use our shim, which should always get us a 3mm profile, place it down, and it's 3.2 within accordance with the spec. So if we jump into this, we've got our Advanced gauge here. We can just come along to memory, come down to smart batch. It says, what do you want to have? Do you want 10 spots? Ignore the lowest 9 readings. Looks good. Hit new. And then it comes to your setup screen. And there you are. It's easy as that. So say on panel here, we've got 2 different parts of this tank that we've blasted with 2 different medias. We want to test what the profile is. It's simple as and I think that was 10. Yep. So we come across, it's already clicked down to the second batch, this second area. And you can see how it works. Take 10 readings and it will keep you the highest. And we're at 7. There we go. So I hope this helps. These surface profile gauges are super helpful. You don't have to have Test-X tape. In Australia we have different needle sizes versus the US. We can help you out with that. But highly recommend the PosiTector Gauge. This new gauge with its touch screen is seriously awesome. This is a kit which we often sell. It comes with the coating thickness gauge and with a dew point meter in the one kit. Obviously DeFelsko's gauges are pretty awesome because you finish with this one now. I can power off real quick. Take off the rubber holster which stops it from getting damaged. Remove that tip. And very quickly now I have a dew point meter. So it's super, super useful in the field for those contractors who don't need to have a special gauge for every application. The dew point meter now is giving us our dew point. How easy is that? Finished with that, move over to coatings. Let's put our, just going to swap over real quick. Let's get our shim out. And here we are. We're taking coating thicknesses. What a fantastic gauge from DeFelsko. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us. Thanks for tuning in.